This is a plastic junction box, has a clear top, ABS plastic on the back. It has a mounting plate inside, and they claim it's waterproof. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $10. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. Alright, so this little box has no openings. You have to drill any openings you want yourself. They do have 4 screws on the corners here. They're kind of like big Phillips, or you could stick a straight edge screwdriver in. They're plastic screws, so nothing to worry about rusting here. They look like they might be captive after I unscrew them. They're not popping right out immediately, although they are loosening up and, oh, there we go. Okay, it felt like there was a very good seal there. You can see in here there is kind of a rubbery gasket, and around the edge there's this knife edge thing that pokes into it. So I think as long as you're careful with the holes you put in this guy, it looks pretty darn watertight. There are this little mesh, it's like a plastic mesh, has a little bit of gap behind it. You need a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew that. You can mount things on it and then put it back down and screw it back in. The screws have this kind of flat side here, so it looks like you can put them in, but most of the way, they're not going to be lost. They're just going to kind of hang around in there. So they're semi-captive screws. So nothing reactive, it's all plastic, possible exception of these 2 screws in here.